Hi guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is sorrel and ginger. Even if you don't know sorrel as sorrel, you may have heard it by a different name, hibiscus. It's a really beautiful red flower. Traditionally, it's still something that's most commonly associated with Christmas, and it's an absolute favorite of mine. I drink it all year round, but even when I'm able to get it fresh in November, December, then I will always buy it fresh. Here's my recipe for sorrel and ginger.
To start with our ingredients, really simple. We have our fresh sorrel. We also have some fresh lime, orange, some cloves, cinnamon stick and some fresh ginger. So to start with, we want to place our fresh sorrels into a bowl and peel the flowers, just removing that small seed that's in the center of them. If you're using dried sorrel, then you can skip this part. Once we've picked all the flowers, we want to wash the leaves in some cold water, just making sure you get rid of any debris or soil. And then just drain them. Next, we want to heat a pan with some water, and then we're going to add our cinnamon sticks and cloves, and finally our sorrel leaves. Bring it to a boil and you'll see straight away that the color will start to change. The leaves are dyeing the water. That is basically the hibiscus. So whilst our sorrel is boiling, we want to grate our ginger and then just add that to the pan. We want to add a squeeze of the orange juice, and then you want to add the flesh to the pan. Then we want to add our lime juice, but we're not adding the skin of the lime. That will make it a bit too bitter. Give it a quick stir, then bring it to the boil for about 20 minutes. Once it's boiled up, just take it off the heat. And then we're going to add in the remaining citrus skins whilst it's cooling. Just cover it with some cling film or a lid and leave it to cool. I like to do this overnight. Once the hibiscus is cooled, we want to strain it using tea towel or muslin cloth. Just pour the liquid through and then squeeze it to get all of the juice and the flavors from the soaked leaves. I find this is the best tool to use because it allows you to squeeze all of the juice out. You don't waste anything. I would just want to sweeten this if you choose to. I prefer to use honey or agave, but if you want, you can use sugar. So we're just going to add that and then whisk it in, and that's our sorrel done. It's so easy. So I'm just going to store this in a glass bottle and then give it a label and place it in the fridge. So that's it guys, a nice and simple one. Again, thanks for tuning in. I hope you try this one. Until the next time, peace and love.